Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications of Raid Shadow Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the settings application. Now scroll down your screen and go to apps option. Click on manage apps option. Here search for Raid Shadow Legends. Then click on the notifications option. Here you'll just have to turn on the button of show notifications. And that is how you can turn on notifications of Raid Shadow Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.